Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Escapists Reincarcerated devlog. I'm currently pretty sick, so mind my voice. Also have a headache right now, so I'm gonna try to get through this as fast as I can. But I'd like to make one of these. So yeah, I've been working on this for the past couple of days like crazy. So hopefully my work can show that. It was really all yesterday that I was like locked in. But anyways, um, so yeah, uh, I've recorded this video about like 3 times, and I was never really like happy with like the work I was put into it. So this is the last time. Hopefully, I have to record this. There's a lot that I want to get through in this, so I'll try to make this quick. First, I actually want to talk about something that's not in the game, something that's actually more meta, I guess you could say. Um, Recently, the Escapist Reincarcerated has been taken down from GitHub due to a DMCA claim, and so let's just talk about that for a bit. I guess I can also pull it up. Madoka Magica. Holy peak. This is a good show. You should watch this show. This is so good so far. Anyways, GitHub. Right. Actually, probably look. I should probably look in the this here we go. So yeah, repository unavailable due to DMCA takedown. So this is like a real thing. I can't look at the page anymore. It's taken down. So yeah. So the notice has been publicly posted. This is it right here. Let's just go through this. I've done this like 3 times already, so I'm just gonna. Sorry if I sound almost apathetic to doing this, but all right. So yeah, authorized. I doubt it, but you know, authorized action copyright 1.5. Whatever. Yeah, so it says we're acting on behalf of Team 17, the IP owners of the Escapist video game. And it says here that the code for the game has been copied without permission, which is not true. It's not true in the sense that the code of the game has been copied, because you can't copy Click Team Fusion events into C#. It's not a copy and paste type of deal. Can't copy what is it, visual scripting into actual code, okay? This is already wrong on multiple levels. Of course, that's like semantics type stuff, but whatever. It says where the escapist is, whatever. It says the entire repository is infringing. It's also not true. It gives both these repositories that are infringing. So one of these is mine, obviously, the TR repo. But this one, the escapist, I don't know what this is. Excuse me, I have to blow my nose. Sorry. Anyways, yeah, so this one's mine, this one's not mine. I don't know what this is, but whatever. Yeah, none of this matters. Yeah, reported content must be removed, and it has been. And yeah, so boom. That's basically it for this. And I have reason to believe that this was written by a bot. Bot or not, it doesn't matter because it's taken effect. So it doesn't really matter. So my response to this was also publicly posted because about a week ago, yeah, exactly a week ago, I countered this claim with my own, and it got, well, it wasn't about a week ago, it was like 2 weeks ago I countered it, but they received it a week ago, which means they also posted it a week ago. So Try to find this. 26. Yep. Escapists counter notice. This is the claim that I made. This is mine. So I'm the content owner. I don't know why they redacted these, but I guess I can't say it. I don't know. I'm gonna be very careful in this video not to say anything within these like tickets and stuff that is like I can't say. I really don't know if I can't say anything. I doubt I can't say anything, but you know, just being sure. I'm disputing the notice. This is my main thing. You can read it if you want. Basically just saying that no, not infringing, blah blah blah. And yeah. So that's pretty much it. And this was accepted by GitHub as a legitimate counterclaim. So they sent it off to Team 17, where I'm awaiting their response. And they haven't responded yet. It's been a week. 5 business days. Almost gonna be 6 business days. Now, according to GitHub's DMCA stuff, from 10 to 14 business days, if the person doesn't respond who you are allegedly infringing from, I guess is the word, you get the repository back if they just don't say anything. So yeah. So this is a good thing that they're not responding. Now, I would have expected a response from them sometime last week, you know? Maybe Thursday, Friday, but it's Monday, and we still have nothing. 4 days are left until Friday, which is the last day. Until I get the repository back, because GitHub has told me, hey, we'll get it back after 10 days, 10 business days. So, yeah. I just want to say that this is crazy, right? DMCA rules should not apply today, right? They're made way back when, whenever, and they don't really hold up anywhere today. But you know, I can't really change that. GitHub has said themselves that they also don't like the DMCA stuff. Let me try to pull that up. Let me see. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. So this whole thing here is like, yeah, it says GitHub doesn't necessarily endorse any of those. So yeah, this is just, GitHub isn't endorsing this, but I mean, come on, right? So it's you know, even GitHub doesn't like how DMCA is being handled today, which is it's very true. It is a problem, but that's just how it is, and we have to deal with it. So yeah, so that's pretty much all the DMCA stuff out of the way. I have very high hopes that we will get the repository back. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do some things. Most importantly, I do want to change the name of the project to something like TE Reincarcerated. Just putting the TE there, you know, just random letters I thought of, really. No correlation to the original name. But you know, I think that'd be good because then I wouldn't get hit with like trademark stuff. DMCA is different from trademark. I'm not getting caught by trademark. Different thing. They could submit a takedown because of trademark or something like that, but they didn't. They did DMCA for some reason. Would have been a more clear case if they did trademark, because it's literally called the Escapists Reincarcerated. But that will be changed once I have access to the repository. I may also take down older devlogs of the game, which I've done in the past. I did that about a year ago. took down like 5 devlogs because yeah. So let me think. That's it. I'm not showing the actual ticket between me and GitHub because I don't know if I'm allowed to show that, so I'm not going to. Peak show, by the way. Watch this. I think it's called just Madoka Magica Girls. I don't know what Puella Magi means. Oh, I guess we're here now. We're blue now. Okay. Reincarcerated. So now on to the part where I show you all the new stuff that I've been making. I haven't done anything with the map editor since the last devlog, so I'm not going to show that. Map editor's done, so don't have to worry about it. You saw this last one, and yeah, mission test. This is the current map that I have loaded because I'm testing out missions right now. So just to show what I've added. Okay, also text boxes are currently like kind of like not great. It'll be different. It'll be changed. It'll be better. I found out a way to make it better. Why is this a thing? Why is there a... Oh, I probably clicked on something. Oh. Interesting. Interesting. I can change that. I know why that's doing that. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Fix that. Anyways. Yeah, text box is really fixed. I just haven't done it yet. I found a better way to do it. Don't worry about it. Okay. Next up. Right, so missions. Let's wait for someone to give a mission, a favor. And little green exclamation mark. Here we go. Here's one. This guard, someone, is trying to extort my earnings again. Last time I've been unsolved that, maybe it will again. Do it. And it's $32. Yep. Ding. Ding. Now we have a favor menu. This is like the journal in the original game. But now it's just this. It's just a menu like this. Obviously it's very different from the original game. But I like it more. So, yeah. Here's another one right here. Oh, he stole your item. Well, that's right. These type of missions are broken. Never mind. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Wow. I think I know why that is. Well, hey, at least it's here, right? Can I, like, get rid of these? Yeah, I can. So, yeah, you can get rid of them. Actually, let me try that again. Or, wait, what? I press no, so it's not going to show it. I wanted to show that how it can scroll. Actually, I can just do that here. So, if we go into the scene view, say that you get, like, a bunch of missions. And I'm not capping it, by the way. I'm not capping it. The original game, it was capped to 5. It's not going to be capped in this one. Check this out. You can have a lot, right? If the message here is so long, then there will be a horizontal scroll bar as well. So, there you go. This is super cool. I like this a lot. I mean, you're probably never going to have this amount of like missions, but you know, this took a long time to set up, so I don't want to hear it. This actually did take quite some time to get working. The scroll stuff, it's the worst in Unity. I hate it. I hate it a lot. Yeah, I can't do these because these aren't titled correctly. Placeholder mission. But yeah, so missions, favors, they're pretty much all here. I'm still working on them. Still got some bugs to iron out, and their functionality is not 100% there, but it's very close. The next thing after favors is going to be shops. Shops are super easy. I can do that in a day. And then after that is like the home stretch, kinda. Really, everything after shops is just gonna be me implementing every object. So, like for example, cameras. I already have a system of detecting stuff, so that'll be easy, right? Um, Visitation. I'm already very good with making the AI movement stuff. That should be easy. Uh, those are the two big things. But then the smaller stuff is like all the job stuff, which is really easy because inmates do their job. It's just getting the player to do their job. I mean, that's a big thing. So yeah, so jobs, cameras, and visitations are like the three big things right now. And then everything after that is just random objects that need to be added in. So yeah, it's we're getting there. We are definitely getting there. Expect an update. Expect an update with shops and favors. Middle of February, middle of this month. Maybe even with more stuff in it. I don't know. But the next update will be pretty good. Hope. Yeah. So watch out for that. I don't know what I had in my last update. Oh, the last update was 0.1. Oh, yeah, so this next update is going to be big. Yeah, this next update is going to be really good. Because the map editor is super polished now, really good. Stuff in-game actually works. Prison menus, custom prisons are like, super good now. Let me think. Yeah, I mean, there'll be a lot added in the next update, so be ready for 0.2, right? Can't wait. Seriously though, I'm having a lot of fun with this project, and I'm just really excited for it to be done. Been working on this for almost 2 years now, which is crazy, right? It's crazy to think that it'll almost be 2 years, right? What time was the server created? April of 2024, early 2026, February. 2 more months until it's 2 years. I'm working on this thing for 22 months. That's crazy. Crazy to think about. And so I'm honestly baffled on how, like, I was able to make it this far. I'm not gonna lie. This has been really hard. It's been like one of the hardest things I've like ever done. Which sounds sorry. Which sounds like petty, like a normal person who's never done this. Definitely sounded petty to me when I first heard it from people talking about game development. But no, this is hard. This is really hard. It's not like physically hard at all. I mean, obviously it's not physically hard. All you do is sit and code. But like mentally, dude, this is hard. The only reason this is still going is because of all of you. Yep, all of you. Well, let me test something actually real quick. Something just popped into my head. Okay, you can put that on. Just make sure. Anyways, no, and none of this would have been possible without you guys. Like seriously, all the support and everything. It's just, it means a lot. And yeah, you know, yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. And we are in the home stretch. I really do believe that we are in the home stretch here in the next few months. I would say You know, honestly, I would say April might be the month that this gets finished. Maybe. I don't know. I'm really busy in March, so um, could be done by the end of this month. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Uh, I have a lot planned. I would like to share an idea real quick for a story mode of this game. Basically, um, a story mode would be like, excuse me, um, like so. Story mode would be where you go through each prison, but you stay the same character. You retain the Hold on, I'm excuse me. Um, sorry. It's where you go like through each prison and you retain your stats and retain some of your items, retain the same character, and there might be cutscenes that play in between each prison. There might, continuity stuff. There might be extra features in some of the prisons. Who knows? Um, and it would include the bonus and DLC prisons too. So it would do those in order of difficulty. So it wouldn't be like you go through the main six and then you go through all the bonus, but it would actually be in difficulty order, according to, well, me and probably you guys, the community. So, yeah, I guess that's it. I don't really have much else to say. Um, so yeah, that's the Escapists Reincarcerated right now. And comment, share your thoughts, join the Discord, star my GitHub once it gets back up, right? Uh, so yeah, I will see you in the next one. See ya.